Yo, what's up? I'm back. Kimenju right here. Kimenju MF. Follow me on the gram. Kimenju_MF. And like this video, share and subscribe. So I told y'all I'm going to do everything about cars, automobiles and everything. So I did a review about this truck sometime back last year, and it is not so well. That's why I've included it in brackets part 1. But now I want to do another review about this. I want to drive along and see how the power and everything. It's a Nissan Datsun Sahara 1986 to 1989 model. Please share. I just want you to share and like this video. I mean, it won't cost you a thing, bruh. So the truck here itself, it has a 3000cc diesel engine and 200 horsepower. Now the only problem with this engine, specific engine, we put a 3000cc diesel engine, but now the first one knocked, so we changed it. And then looking at this one, it guzzles so much. It's a very big engine and very loud. Now that's the only problem with it. It has a compressor. This compressor, you can take it to your mechanic. They can put a fan belt there and do all the kind of uchawi. Then you can get the pololilo kind of thing. Looking at the hand pump, it's straight from Japan, the ex-Japan, never changed it. The alternator, it's here, straight from Japan. And looking at the injector pump and everything, straight from Japan, Tokyo. The battery, it can only handle the NS, I think 60. The radiator is quite big, like a lorry. And what else here? I think we're done here. Cabin, it's a double cabin, and looking at the cargo, it's quite big, and yeah, hii inaweza beba gunia ngapi ya mahindi, like 10 plus. As you can see, this photo here, this photo ilikuwa imebeba gunia ngapi? 1, 2, 3, I can't even count them. That is it. Now looking here, you know, this truck, many people think it's so old and everything, but look, you know, bado inafunguka and it's so good and great. Unaweza panda hapa. I'm around 80 kgs and yeah, it's quite a big car. The back tire, it's a all-terrain BF Goodrich tire, 215 size, and it's quite big. Looking at the front tire, we have 215 Continental tire, but it looks kind of small. But now, looking at the grips of this tire, it's so big and so deep. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, that is it. Looking here, 1, 2 cabin, it's a double cabin, and looking at the carry cargo, it's quite big, and yeah, hii inaweza beba gunia ngapi ya mahindi, like 10 plus. As you can see, this photo here, this photo ilikuwa imebeba gunia ngapi? 1, 2, 3, I can't even count them. That is it. Now, looking here. You know, this truck, many people think it's so old and everything, but look, you know, bado inafunguka and it's so good and great. Unaweza panda hapa. I'm around 80 kgs and yeah, it's quite a big car.